COVID. So I'm gonna rant and do my makeup for no reason. So COVID's got me in the mood to rant about the still wildly gender-uninclusive beauty industry. So I've been big on TikTok for just about a year, even though I've been trying to get big on social media for about 7. And before TikTok, it was virtually impossible for a boy in makeup to blow up on platforms like Instagram and YouTube because they're now filled with homophobic baby boomers. No offense to the non-homophobic baby boomers, because I know there's gonna be people in my comments like, not all of us. And they're not the only problem here, because the real culprit is the beauty brands. If you're bored, just head to any of these major beauty brand social media accounts and see that they're lucky to repost one guy in makeup every 3 months. And I don't really blame them, because go to that post of the boy and see the comment section filled with puke emojis and homophobia, which they don't want to deal with, even though Lord knows they want to preach about inclusivity as long as it doesn't hurt the financial bottom line of their target demographic of women between the ages of 25 and 55. But don't you worry, because you know what's right around the corner? Pride Month. Or as I like to call it, the 30 days out of the year brands can make shitty rainbow makeup and splash boys and queers all over their social media accounts to atone for their sins. The only reason I even started doing comedy videos on TikTok was because it was a Trojan horse to get the makeup in front of people. Come for the comedy, stay for the makeup, because imparting 9 years of hair and makeup knowledge on people certainly wasn't enough. And then the minute I did blow up, I needed to deal with thousands and thousands of comments from people comparing me to James Charles and Manny MUA, which you should really be asking yourself, why are there only 7 male beauty influencers at the top when there are literally thousands of women? Because we're still really not okay with a boy flawlessly applying makeup to his face because it brings up feelings of jealousy and shatters the Disney illusion you were sold as a child, which is never gonna happen. And the funniest part about it is this does not define my masculinity, because when I'm not doing this, I can change a tire, tile a shower, and refinish a piece of furniture. But I'm not obligated to prove that to you any more than you're entitled to make assumptions about me. My definition of a man doesn't include not washing your ass and having muscles. It includes being a gentleman, a provider, taking care of your family, which I've done tenfold. Thus, for boy and or queer influencers, we literally need to break the sound barrier of popularity, or be problematic, or commoditize our queerness and tell our sad stories about how hard it is to wear makeup on the internet. Which is why I'm almost at 1 million followers, and certainly can't do this full time, because I'm lucky if I get 1 PR box every 2 months, spending thousands of dollars of my own money on makeup to review for brands that don't give a shit about me. Plus fighting constant feelings of depression, inadequacy, and beating the shit out of myself when I see female creators, no hate to you, get your coin girl, with 1/4 the following I have getting triple the opportunities. So in conclusion, over 50% of the makeup techniques you're using today, and that's being conservative, were created by male makeup artists, queers, and drag queens. And just because there's more women in the game, which I'm sure some of you are gonna comment, doesn't mean you get to eat 50% of the pie. And if you have a problem with that, too fucking bad, because you don't get to eat the apples and ignore who planted the tree. So this Pride Month, if I see beauty brands that barely engage, feature, or collaborate with male/queer creators posting Pride looks or making Pride merch, you better believe I'm gonna use this following that you don't care about to call you out so fast. And after 10 years in this industry, a year on here, and 2 bouts of COVID, I'm realizing that the world has enough kiss-ass influencers and not many that tell the truth. Doing the latter hasn't got me anywhere, so fuck it, let's try this. I'm gonna go take a nap.